Thank you so much, Gally, and hello, good morning, good afternoon, good evening, everyone, from wherever you are joining. Great to see people from all over the world joining us today. Thank you so much for your time. First of all, I want to send apologies on behalf of our CEO, Eilert, who wasn't able to join today. He's been called away on urgent business, but I'm very happy to be here instead to kick off today's event. I'm VP of Kahoot at Work, which means I have the lucky job of talking to many of our customers and often being inspired by how our customers are using Kahoot in so many creative and brilliant ways, some of which you'll hear about today. So the purpose really of this first kickoff is I wanted to just give you a little bit of background about Kahoot, what's behind the product that you may be aware of, a little bit about us as an organization, where we are, where we're going, and just spend 1 or 2 minutes to sharing some thinking of ours about how Kahoot can help you make your corporate learning impactful. So first of all, about us, it all starts with our mission at Kahoot. We talk about, and we've always talked about, making learning awesome. And the thing that unites everyone who works in the team at Kahoot is a real strong belief in the Kahoot mission. And that mission is that we are on a mission to improve lifelong learning by building the leading learning and engagement platform in the world. And lifelong learning is probably a key word, particularly for this audience. We're going to talk all about learning in the workplace today, but what I'm about to take you through will show you that we really have been focusing on delivering engaging learning to learners of all ages. So where we are today is we have had an incredible journey where the journey began actually back in 2012. Let me just talk you through that before we get to today. We launched in 2012, and Kahoot launched as a quiz. And many people still are most familiar with Kahoot as the quiz. But what this journey will show you is just how we have evolved and the product has evolved to become so much more than that. During our second phase, 2018 to 2021, a number of other products joined the Kahoot family. So we became not just one fantastically engaging product, but a family of products that deliver engaging learning to learners of all ages. And then most recently, we think of ourselves as a platform. We're increasingly integrating all of those products together to bring the very best of all of those products to all of our users. And that's absolutely true in the workplace. And I'll talk a little bit more about a couple of the products that have joined the Kahoot at Work family that we're doing that with right now. Most recently, just this year, we passed 9 billion unique, non-unique participants. That means for those of you who've pinned into the Kahoot session, the interactive presentation today, there have been 9 billion of people like you who've pinned into a session like that since we were founded back in 2012. The one thing that's united us throughout this journey is that we are user-centric. What we like to think about is that we focus on not only the trainer or the presenter, as many of you will be in the audience, but also we spend a lot of time thinking about talking to and designing for the learner as well to create a genuinely engaging experience. So where are we today? Kahoot, we organize ourselves in a number of different segments. Again, on the left-hand side, Kahoot at Work, that's what we're focusing on today. We're all about corporate learning and audience engagement. You may not know that Kahoot's already used by 97% of the Fortune 500. There are 2 apps which have joined the Kahoot family that are being integrated into the overall Kahoot offering. One of them is called Motimate. You're going to see a demo of that later today. Motimate is a fun and engaging alternative to a learning management system. And the second is called Actimo, and that is an employee app with a particular focus on helping organizations communicate with day-to-day communications with frontline workers, and also to deliver learning, but communication is the focus. Beyond the Kahoot at Work segment, we have an incredibly strong presence in the school ecosystem. We have the core Kahoot product is used by 8 million teachers in the last year. And one of the other products that joined the family is called Clever. It's an IT infrastructure app that makes it easier for schools to both access and integrate with EdTech applications. Both products are used by the majority of teachers in the US and all around the world in over 200 countries. Finally, we have an area called Kahoot at Home, which is focused on engaging learning apps for parents to buy for their kids for use at home, as the name suggests. And last but not least, we have something we call Kahoot Academy, which is a fantastically exciting creator community and marketplace. Currently, that's focused on teachers in the K-12 segment, and it allows teachers to not only create, but actually to sell content on the marketplace to other teachers. And Kahoot Academy also brings premium content to our users in all categories. The marketplace will be coming in the future to all segments, including Kahoot at Work. So a couple of minutes now on our belief on how does Kahoot help you deliver impactful corporate learning? Well, ultimately for us, it does come down to engagement. And it came across very clearly from the word cloud that Gally just hosted. That's very much one of the challenges that's front of mind for you, and perhaps why you're here today. Why does engagement matter? Well, it's obvious to us that learner engagement during a learning experience and overall employee engagement, they're not quite the same thing. They are linked and they are related, and there's some overlap between the two things, but they're not quite the same. However, the key point is that engagement, whether it's in a learning experience or in the workplace generally, results in a change in behavior. And I think this quote by Simon Sinek summarizes that quite nicely. When employees are emotionally invested, they want to contribute, as opposed to when they're rationally involved. It's a much more transactional connection where they're looking for a return. So as soon as you're emotionally invested, you're going to want to change your behavior. And I think we can all agree that an impactful learning experience is one that actually causes behavioral change. So at Kahoot, that's exactly what we believe. The engagement we strive to help our customers generate every day will generate that behavioral change that will deliver the impact that every corporate learning program seeks to have. So I just want to wrap up this short introductory section by telling you a little bit about some exciting new updates to our products that we've released. Here are two major updates to the Kahoot platform that we've released just since the beginning of 2023. The team is very, very committed to product-led innovation. We're always pushing out new and exciting features, and this is just two examples. This is what we call immersive branding. It's developed very much in consultation and collaboration with our customers based on a pattern of feedback that we got from our customers. Immersive branding, as you can see here, allows full customization of the look and feel of the Kahoot experience. The fonts, the background, which you can customize for every individual question, and also the colors of the actual experience as well. So it really is a truly branded experience for our customers. Next up, we've also launched, and this has been in the last few days, hopefully you've caught this, something called Kahoot Story, a brand new content format. I'm not going to talk about this very much today because the very next speaker will not only tell you all about this in detail, our head of product, Christian, but he's also going to show you the product. The key point, though, I want to leave with you is that you may be aware of Kahoot, perhaps most commonly used in a live experience like we're doing right now. But Story shows our ongoing commitment to create a powerful asynchronous learning experience, part of something we call Kahoot Courses. And we're really excited to see this latest edition that will take Kahoot Courses to the next level and enable our customers to deliver not only engaging live, but also super engaging asynchronous learning experiences as well. So I'm going to wrap up there. I'd like to thank you very much again for attending today, for today's event. In summary, we are super excited about the journey ahead of us in 2023 and beyond. We're completely committed to engagement, and we believe that the engagement that our product can help you deliver will play a major role in helping you deliver the impact in your corporate learning initiatives. I really hope you enjoy the rest of the event.